evening, everyone. My name is Stella Hero. And I'm from the boy band SB19. This is my first time to perform as solo artist without my brothers, but I'm very happy and very overwhelmed with the love and support. Why are you laughing? I'm very happy that Kuya Eric himself, Tagalog na nga lang, hirap na. Puro naman Pinoy dito. Puro Pinoy ba nandito? Puro Pinoy naman pala eh. Tinry ko pa. Ang hirap. Wala eh. Expired na eh. Ilang weeks na ba ako nandito. Hindi ko na-extend yung promo. Sorry. Pasensya na po. But I'm very thankful, especially to Star Media and my mom, Ana Puno. Thank you so much for bringing me here. Well, it's the plane who brought me here. But yeah, and of course, Kuya Eric, happy 20th anniversary. Thank you so much. And to all the people who came tonight to watch this concert, maraming salamat po. And of course, to all the 18 na nandito! 18 magingay! Yes, and I also would like to mention my friend who's watching tonight, Max. Thank you for coming. Where's Max? Max? Hey, Max, thank you so much. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the show. And yes, for my next song, this is one of my favorite songs. So if you know the song, sing with me, okay? This is Go the Distance. When I go the distance, I'll be wherever I go. On an unknown road to embrace my faith, though now go may wonder. What gonna find